not going to be running for a while. As you see, there's a shift linkage down there. Piece of transmission. But the good news is, transmission is not bad. It's just that casing. So it's been parked here, hasn't moved since the last video, I guess. I'll give you guys a little peek. And I really do need hood spacers because that is from, probably there's a runner right here. Anyways, the car runs great and it pulls hard. It's on about 8 pounds, I think. So the casing itself was weak before I got to it. Like before I started using it for this car, it was already weak from the crash. So that's the bolt where the T bracket mounts to, and I'll show you some pics from the crash I had back in 2016. But that's why this casing cracked, because it was already kind of structurally compromised from the collision and stuff. So I'm gonna pull the tranny someday and swap out the gears in the casing, and then slap everything back in, and then I'm gonna send it again. Just, washed it and waxed it. As you can see, it looks pretty okay. Looks pretty good. But the bad thing is I parked underneath this pine tree, so I get a lot of tree sap. Alright, here are my wheels. They're 19s, 19 by 10.5 on the rear. As you can see, this one's already almost finished. What I did was I sanded it down, and I also used a Dremel too, and then I just filled it with Bondo. So now it's all ready to paint. Alright, I just ate my breakfast. It's time to go get some more paint. I'm getting more of this stuff, Rust-Oleum. Painted wheels before, and this is a pretty good job. So I'm gonna do all 4 wheels gloss black, primer, base, and then clear. And yeah. Set up. The wheel's all washed. Just gonna wait for it to dry a little bit. Already masked it all up. I think it's ready to paint. coats. So far it's looking pretty good. Right now it looks a little bit inconsistent just because the way rattle cans are. It will never be as consistent as an actual spray gun, but right now it looks pretty good. I'll do one more, maybe 2 more layers and then the clear coat, and that should even everything out. So I'm just gonna wait till this one dries. And the bad thing about painting outdoors is you get little things that come in and stick to the paint, but not a huge deal. Meeting up with the crew. Found my guy Ryan and the SRT8. Let's go.
We have a double ride. How do you feel?
Feel good.